Hello dear, this is Risu Singh and you are watching Mathsmagic. So in our NCERT series, today we are going to solve from the chapter 1, the last exercise 1.4 and the question number 1. And the question number 1 is, without actual performing the long division, state whether the following rational number will have a terminating decimal, expansion or non-terminating. So now see. Here is given the total 9 questions and I have written the 6 of them. Then next, before we going to solve this, we have to understand only the two things. The rational number can be written in the form of P by Q. Q means denominator. When the denominator in this set means 2n and 5m, then it is terminating. When the Q value is not equal to 2n and 5m, then it called non-terminating and repeating. Now let's start the question number 1. So in the question number 1 is that 13 by 3125. So we have to write the question number 1, 13, 3125. Now let's find the factor of 3125. So we can find this factor 3125 divided by 5, that is 6 times, 2 times and 5 times. Again it is 5 times, 1 time, 2 times, 5 times. Again with 5, then 2 5 times. Again with 5, then 5 times. Again with 5, then 5 times, 1 time. So total how many 5 is there? Total, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write 5 raised to the power 5. Now tell me, is this terminating decimal or this is non-terminating decimal? This is terminating decimal, okay? Because the 2 is already there, we can say the 2 raised to the power 0, that is the same thing. So the denominator is 5 to the power 5. Therefore 13 by 3125 is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Right? Now, if you have a doubt, let's see the second question. You come easily because we have a 9 question in the same format and we can understand soon. So, the second question is a very short and sweet, that is the 17 by 8. 17 by 8, that means we need to find the factor of 8. What is the factor of 8? It is 2 to the 4 and 2, 8. This is the factor of 8. Now tell me, it can be written 2 to the power 3. See, here is also denominator in the form of Q equals to 2n and here is 5m is also there, but we suppose this is 0. So, we can say the denominator is 2 to the power 3. Therefore 17 by 8 is terminating decimal. Terminating decimals. Now the question number is 3rd. What is the question number 3rd? In the question number 3rd is 64 by 455. Now need the factor of 455. So let's find the factor of this. So we know how to find. We use division method. The first time 5, 9 5 is 45 and 1 time. Then 7, 7 1 is 7 and 7 3 is 21. Then 31 time, 13 time, that is 1. So what is the factor of this? This is factor 5 7 13. Now see, Is this equal to? No. Why? Here is 7 and here is 13. So we have to write the denominator is not equal to, not in the form, don't write equal to, not in the form, not in the form 2 and 5m. Because why? Because of this both, because of 7 and 13, right? If both are there, then we can say, therefore we can say this, what? 64 by 455. What we can say? 64 by 455 is a non-terminating repeating decimal. A non-terminating repeating decimal. I hope you understand. Now similarly we have to solve the question number 4. So in the question number 4, what we have to do? We have to find the factor of 16. The 20 is also there, that we can find along with that, but it is easy. What is the factor of 16? Factor of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Let's find the complete factor. Question number 4. That is 15 by 1600. 1600. Find it. 1600 divided by 2. 16 half 800. Again divided by 2. 8 half 400. 4 half 200. Again 2. 2 half 1. Again 2. 10 half 5. Again 2. 50 half 25. Now 5. That is 5. Again 5 1 ja 5. So what we get here? We get the factor of 1600 is 2 into 5. How many 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the power 6. How many 5? 1, 2. We can write here 2 in the short method and the sweet. So now what we can say? The denominator is in the form 2 and 5m. See, it is only 2 and 5, so this is terminating decimal. Therefore this is what? 15 by 1600 terminating decimal. I hope you understand. I think this is very easy. You can solve easily. Now the question number 5 is there 29 by 343. So see this number. Now we have to find the factor of 343. If you know the divisibility rule, you can easily say and find which number going to divide. So this number going to divide by the 7. If you don't know, you go to the basic math playlist and find the divisibility rule. There I make the 2 video, one from 1 to 5, then 6 to 11, and you can comes to know how we can shortly find the divisibility which one. So now this is the 49 time, and again 7, this is 7 time, again 7, this is 1 time. So what is the factor of 343? It can be say 7 to the power 3. Now say, is this in the form of 2n and 5m? No. Then we can say, first we write the denominator the denominator is not in the form 2 and 5m. So therefore 29 by 343 is what? Non-terminating and repeating. And that's the answer. Now the question number 6. Now question number 6 is there. What is the question number 6? Question number 6 already solved. We have to only tell the statement. Why? See, this is the most easy. Question number 6 is 23 by 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 2c. See, this is the denominator. Here the q already solved. So this is in the form of this terminating decimal, and we have to only write the answer. See, what we write? The denominator what? The denominator in the form of what? 2n 5m. Therefore 23 by 3 to the power 2 to the power 3 and 5 is terminating decimal is Understand? Okay. Now we have to go into the question number. What is the question number 7? Question number 7 is 129 by 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 7 and 7 to the power 5. Now see, we know in the denominator 1 is 7 to the power 5. If it is there, so that means it is not in the form of 2m and 5m. So the denominator is not in the form 2m and 5m. Therefore 129 upon 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 7 and 7 to the power 5 is non-terminating and what end? And repeating. So repeating. The similarly see this question. Here is denominator 5. So we can say 5 there. This is in the form of 2n and 5m. So the denominator see, the question is 6 by 15. So we can factor 6 in the 2 and 3. 2 3 ja 6, 5 3 ja 15, and this 3 cancel. So we getting the 2 by 5. So don't confuse. Here denominator is 5. Therefore 6 by 15 is terminating. Right? Here is also, see, here is 30 by 50. So 0 cancel. Now what we get? 3 by 5. Again denominator is 5. Again we say this is the terminating. The denominator is 5, and therefore 30 by 50 is terminating. decimal you can write. I hope you understand. It is just easy. Just remember two things that we learned from our theorem. And if you know the only, if we getting the q like only 2 and only 5m or both, then it is terminating. Otherwise, if you get any other number except of 2 and 5m or 2n and 5m, then it is non-terminating and repeating. So it is easy. I hope you understand. If you understand, if you not subscribe still my channel, then subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and also like this video. Thank you for watching Math Magic.